Hi, I'm Cindy Santa Ana, integrative nutritionist for the Amen Clinics and your Wellness Wednesday host. Today's topic is menu planning. Some of us do it and some of us don't do it ever at all. And I have to admit, sometimes I don't meal plan, but I generally have a plan every week when I go to the grocery store. So once a week, I set time aside to do my shopping, and for the most part, I get some of the same things, but I always vary my vegetables and my proteins. So here's how I came about developing my family's weekly menu planning meals. So I made a column for all of our favorite beef dishes, all of our favorite chicken dishes, pork, turkey, all of our favorite soups, and then all of our favorite veggie sides. And I put that together in a spreadsheet and came up with about 30 to 40 working meals that we can pull from that are our favorites. So I first sat down with our family and said, okay, what are your favorite beef dishes? And we listed out tacos and maybe meatloaf night, maybe my homemade hamburger helper, or some pot roast in the wintertime, and then all of our favorite chicken dishes like chicken parmesan or chicken with peppers and onions, or we do chicken wings and drumsticks sometimes. So I made a list of all of those, and then all of our favorite pork dishes like pork tenderloin and pork chops or pork shoulder, and then all of our favorite soups. That included some winter soups and some summer soups, and then all of our favorite veggie sides. And that is what we had the most of. So probably about 30 or 40 of veggies. So all the brassicas like cauliflower and broccoli and cabbage and bok choy, all of their leafy greens like kale and collards, and arugula for salads, and then asparagus and green beans and carrots and beets and fennel and kohlrabi, stir fries and cauliflower rice. So there's loads of veggie sides that you can come up with. Now, if you're vegan or vegetarian, you want to come up with sort of the same working list. All of your favorite legumes, list out all the different ones, and lentils, lots of vegetables, and using mushrooms as a good meaty side dish. And then sit down with your favorite blogs and cookbooks. I'll pull a lot of recipes from The Brain Warrior's Way or my cookbook on processed living. So look at your favorite blogs online. Look at anti-inflammatory or sort of paleo. So they're more meat and veggie and complex carbohydrate focused versus grain and pastas and rice and dishes like that might have some inflammatory foods. So that's how I came up with my list, and I'd love to help you with yours with menu planning to help with specific health concerns. That's what I do here. So reach out and let me know if I can help. Take care.